Conquering Test Anxiety, Power of Positivity. Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on mastering test preparation. Today, we are going to tackle an important aspect of test taking, anxiety, specifically focusing on the power of acknowledging your personal strengths and achievements. Remember, understanding yourself better can be the key to unlocking your full potential during these tests. Before diving into solutions, it's essential to comprehend the root of the problem. Test anxiety isn't just about feeling nervous. It's a mix of physical symptoms like a racing heartbeat and psychological distress. The good news? By redirecting our thoughts and focusing on our strengths, we can counteract some of these anxieties. Whenever you are overwhelmed, remember to reflect on your past successes. Did you ever think you couldn't master a topic but ended up acing it? Or thought an assignment was too tough, but managed to finish it brilliantly? By focusing on these past achievements, you reinforce the belief in your abilities. It serves as a reminder that you are capable and can overcome challenges. 1. Maintain a success journal. Jot down even the smallest victories in your English learning journey. Review this journal whenever you doubt yourself. 2. Affirmations. Create positive affirmations that are personal to you. Say them aloud, like, I have succeeded before, I can do it again. 3. Visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself succeeding. Visualization can be a powerful tool for reinforcing positive outcomes. 4. Seek feedback. Sometimes, we are our harshest critics. Talk to teachers or peers. They can offer a more balanced view of your strengths. When you emphasize your strengths, not only does it combat test anxiety, but it also boosts your overall confidence, encourages a growth mindset, creates a positive feedback loop where success breeds more success. In wrapping up, remember that each one of you has a unique set of strengths and achievements. By acknowledging and focusing on them, not only do you reduce test anxiety, but you also pave the way for a more confident and positive approach to learning and test taking. We hope this video empowers you to believe in yourself and your abilities. Until next time, keep believing, keep achieving,